Hey, I'm Jeff Kaufman, Silver Sport Transmissions, day 3 of the Hemmings Motor News 1981 Chevy Suburban conversion from the SM-465 to the Tremec TR-4050 5-speed. This Suburban originally had an NP208 transfer case. We're converting this to the TR-4050. We couldn't use the 208, so we're going to the NP205, which is a gear-driven cast iron case transfer case. We thought we could use the 208 shifter, NP208 shifter. We didn't have the NP205 shifter handle, really is what we needed. So we've had to fabricate a shifter stick to work with our linkage conversion for the NP205, and that has hung everything up here. So we are nearing the end of this. Everything's complete. Drive shafts are ready to go in. We're waiting on the shifter stick to be come out of welding. So right now, it's just a waiting game, getting ready to finish that up, and then we're going to do a road test. The guys are up in there wiring up a light so we can do some filming inside when we do the road test. So kind of got all hands on deck here. It's pretty good ways after closing time here, so we're trying to wrap this up and get these guys on the road. So anyway, this episode will air on Hemmings Motor News YouTube channel, so be sure and watch that. It's going to be really cool. You'll get to see a lot more of this installation, what it took to put it in. Really pretty simple in these square body trucks to do the TR-4050 conversion, so it's not very complicated at all, as long as you have an NP205 shifter stick. So anyway, you can see some of the guys back here hanging out, and there'll be more coming along on this Thunderbird pretty soon. This is a Coyote powered Fox body Thunderbird. It's getting a Tremec Magnum 6-speed, and this car is awesome. So you'll see a lot more of that here pretty soon as well. So anyway, stay tuned. Be sure and follow along with Hemmings Motor News on YouTube. You'll see this Suburban conversion to the TR-4050. You're going to like it. It's really fun, and it's really an easy conversion in these trucks. So anyway, appreciate it, and have a good weekend.